Okay, everyone, so this is part 2, and I apologize for not making the video the proper way. I'm not really good at this whole recording from my phone business. So I basically had beat the egg whites in the mixer on high until they were really formed stiff peaks, and they were pretty fluffy, and they were sticking to the whisk. And as long as they stick to the whisk and they don't fall off, then they're ready. Then I mix it into the bowl with the coconut and the condensed cream and the vanilla extract and the almond extract. And then I folded the egg white in gently, a little bit at a time. And then I quickly scoop them out with the cookie scooper, ice cream scooper thingy. And this recipe that I just made was 1 bag of shredded coconut and 1 can of condensed milk, and it made 28 of these. So I'm about ready to put them in the oven at 325-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. And there is the recipe right there. If you need it, if you did not see part 1 of my video, I'm going to try and put a link in here, but I will name this part 2 video. And I'm probably not going to be able to show you the finished product, but it's going to look exactly like this because they're not going to grow, they're not going to spread out. As Laura Vitale, this is her recipe. She's the one who said that they don't spread out. They just kind of stay the way they are, and they just get browned up. So they just get tan. So you know what they look like if you've seen them before. And they're supposed to be crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside. So thanks for watching. Apologize. Hopefully I'll get myself a tripod and a camera and whatever and just figure something out. Don't have anybody taking these videos for me. So thanks again for watching my first time making coconut macaroons. The oven's ready, so I got to pop these in before these egg whites deflate, because I see this starting to already get a little flat, and you don't want that. There you go, and have a great night. Thanks.